Hello everyone, this is Spider Zero coming back at you with another video, and today I want to show you some tips on the showrooms. If you want to mess with your collectibles in AR, you can click on a showroom. This is just a blank one, and as you can see it's loading up, and then you have a couple of different things you can do with it. So you can move around with these little joysticks at the bottom of the screen. This one turns it to the right and left and up and down, right? And then you got this one that goes left, right, up, and back, right? And then these are the collectibles actually being inside of it in AR. And as you can see, they're very 3D, and they look really good rendered in these showrooms. You can even see the shadows of them. The metallic of the suit just looks amazing on the Spider-Man 2099. This is probably my favorite Marvel Mighties set. And I don't even really like the Marvel Mighties, but these just look great. Now, if you go into, let's say, your other showroom, this is the normal showroom with your vault door and everything. And you can look around. It's very beautiful inside this. I love the outside and how like the sun's going down and the clouds, how it just looks like you're floating. And I really like how they animated this. So if you click on the door, it actually opens up like a real vault, and you can like step inside and you can customize anything you want in here. So if you hit this little plus sign down at the bottom, it comes up with your collectibles. So say I wanted to put in Loki. Then you click one of your mint numbers, and it'll load in. And then you click on Loki to move him around and do whatever you want. And then this little button in the middle, you can do this without the button in the middle to like move it around and everything. But I'm so used to using this that I'd rather just use this one. So like I can move it backwards to the wall. I can scale it up. And to scale it up, all you do is pinch your fingers and then you widen it. So I scaled it upwards, and then if you pinch your fingers and you go downward, it makes it smaller. So you can make it real small if you want, or real big if you want. You can also rotate them, move them any way you want. You can also move them on the other axis to where they flip. So if you like wanted to have them on the ceiling or something like that, you could do that. You can also move them up and down like in the air. So say you had like Spider-Man swinging, you could put them there like that. And as you can see, you can still see the shadows and everything in there, which is really cool. And then say if I wanted to throw in an animated one. Now, this does take up a lot of phone processing power. I bet you if you had like a more expensive phone than I do, I have a kind of cheap one. So as you can see, it's kind of a little slow on my phone, but I believe that they'll make it better to be used very soon. Yeah, I like for me, I can't put more than like 30 collectibles into my vault right now, or it'll totally glitch out and shut down my phone, and it kind of makes my phone a little hot. What I'm looking for right now is like one of my animated ones. I just want to show you how they look in AR and what you can do with them and how they look. It's pretty cool actually. So right here I have Susan Storm in the secret rare. So I'm gonna throw that out there. And there she is. Now you can do the same with her. You can scale her up. Make her huge. You can click off of it. And then normally you have to click on them to make them actually do their animations, but for some reason she's just animating on her own right now. Maybe this one just does that. Some of them are different. Oh no, now she's just sitting there. So now I click on her and she'll do her animations. And then usually for a secret rare, you have to double click to do its second one, which is her throwing the force fields. And then you click once to do the other one, which is pretty much like the ultra rares thing it does. But these animations look really, really cool inside these vaults. I love how Invisible Woman actually disappears and everything. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you like another angle of it to show you like where the force fields go and everything, how it looks. See how like it shoots out pretty far and everything. You can actually like really, really make these showrooms look amazing, especially with like the 2D posters and everything. And with your own creativity, you can do a lot of different things. It's pretty cool, actually. Well, this is everything I wanted to show you guys. This is just me messing around a little bit in my showroom, and just in case some people didn't know how to do some things with their vaults, now you can come to this video and find out exactly how to do these things, and just mess around and have fun with your NFTs. Well, everyone, have a great day, and tune in for the next video.